Mission Impossible 8 video teases Hayley Atwell's dog-sledding scenes in the Final Reckoning's Arctic sequence mission. Impossible. The Final Reckoning gets a new featurette-style trailer, teasing the movie's Arctic filming location. Directed by Christopher McQuarrie, the 8th and potentially final installment in the Mission Impossible franchise features Tom Cruise back as Ethan Hunt for another globe-trotting adventure as he attempts to take down the entity. As has been teased in the Mission Impossible, the Final Reckoning's trailers, at least part of the film will take place in the Arctic as Hunt and his team, which includes Hayley Atwell as Grace, attempt to find the sunken Sevastopol submarine. Now, Paramount Pictures shares a new look at Mission Impossible, The Final Reckoning, showing Cruise, McQuarrie, and the rest of the cast and crew as they film scenes in Svalbard, a Norwegian archipelago in the Arctic Ocean. The featurette provides a new look at what appears to be a research station set for the film, with Simon Pegg, who plays Benji, explaining just how challenging the sub-zero temperatures made filming. The video also teases that Atwell's Grace will get a dog-sledding sequence in the Final Reckoning. Check it out below. Though context for the Arctic scenes in the Final Reckoning is missing in the featurette above, other trailers and bits of information previously released provide some indication of how the location will factor into the movie. As was revealed in the beginning of Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning, the entity sunk the Sevastopol submarine under the ice in the Bering Sea. Hunt and his team spend much of the previous movie attempting to find two halves of a crucifix key that can be used on the Sevastopol to shut the AI threat down. Trailers for the Final Reckoning reveal that Hunt and his team do eventually reach the Sevastopol, with Hunt shown navigating the inside of the vessel. While Hunt is below, Grace and the others are seemingly stationed at an Arctic research station with original Mission Impossible cast member Rolf Saxon, who played CIA analyst William Donlow, set to feature in this part of the movie. Though it's not yet clear how Hunt's mission goes wrong, one shot in the trailer does show Grace kissing an unconscious Hunt underwater, and the dog-sled scene could be directly connected to her rescuing him. The Mission Impossible movies have always been globe-trotting in nature, but The Final Reckoning is seemingly set to push this to the next level. Though important sequences take place in London, there is also an extended aerial action sequence that was shot in South Africa. The inclusion of an Arctic sequence means, visually, The Final Reckoning will feature a strong variety of environments for the action to play out in. Grace is a new character in the franchise, but she was a standout in Dead Reckoning, helping to inject more humor and charm into her debut installment. The full extent of Grace's role in the next movie remains to be seen, but the latest featurette suggests Atwell will play a more important part in the action, which could be exciting to see. Though the latest teaser is careful not to reveal too much, Mission Impossible The Final Reckoning is shaping up to be a thrilling new adventure experience.